Hi guys, my name is Justin Lake. This is my personal goals video presentation. I'm sure I made one of these 5 years ago back in 2017. I can't find it to save my life, so I'm making you a brand new one. My goals are probably a little different now than they were then anyways. So here's a little bit about me. I'm graduated from Shawnee Mission Northwest in 2005. I went to Baker University, played a little football, graduated in 2010. After that, I worked at Turner School District in Kansas City, Kansas for 7 years, teaching elementary PE and coaching high school football and middle school track. After that, I worked at a small rural school in Missouri, closer to where my wife and I live, for 4 years, where I taught 2 hours of high school weights and the rest of the day elementary PE, K through 4. And I also coached football, basketball, and track there. And then the last 2 years, I've been in the Shawnee Mission School District working at Prairie Elementary, which is, I would brag about it and say I personally think it's the best elementary PE job in the metro area. I'm married with two sons. They're both awesome, big age gap, 14 and 4. Both love sports, super active. Have two dogs, Bev and Keith, two ducks, Deb and Dave, and one cat named Rick. And I'm a huge sports fan, Chiefs, obviously, a big Royals fan. And my Jayhawks are starting to tear it up on the football field too. Some goals I have, immediate goals. Successfully complete this course so I can graduate in the winter. Having a baby, COVID starting, I was kind of dragging my feet on this. I just decided it's time to get it done. In the near future, I'd hopefully like to find an admin job somewhere much closer to my house on the Missouri side, in a medium to large size school district. I've been in both small and big, and there are definitely pros and cons to each. But at this time in my life, when I'm young and have a little bit more energy, I think I'd rather be in these big districts and help out as many people as I possibly can. And then longer down the road, I would like to finish my career as an admin, or maybe even go back to teaching elementary PE and just hang out my last few years before I retire. But in a smaller rural school district closer to my home that I can drive to in 5-10 minutes, something like that. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Those are my goals.